Good evening and welcome to Inside 06, where we discover and explore the many events of Sharjah. I'm your host, Umar Bullock. In the newest of Sharjah's dynamic projects, His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan Al Qasimi, ruler of Sharjah, announces the opening of the Mleiha Dairy Farm project, a new food, health and safety project held in the highest regard, providing the highest quality dairy products. Let's take a look at the special inauguration.
نأتي اليوم لنفتتح هذا المشروع، وهو مشروع ألبان مليحة. الأبقار التي لدينا أبقار سلالة أصلية، وسلالة أصلية يعني لم تدخل عليها أي تحسينات. نأمل إن شاء الله نلتقي بكم جميعا، نتمنى لكم شربة هنية يعني من هذه الأبقار.
Here in the blessed emirate of Sharjah, we hear the ringing bells announcing a new opening in this emirate that holds food security projects in the highest regard, producing high-quality organic milk free from any enhancements or additions, and will be sold with all its nutritional abundance. His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasimi, Supreme Council Member and the ruler of Sharjah, inaugurated on Monday the first phase of the Mleiha Dairy Farm, which contains Holstein cows of purebred lineage, which are the first of their kind in the Middle East, and produce organic milk containing the A2A2 protein, under the supervision of Sharjah's Agricultural and Livestock Production Iktifa. The barns of the farm are constructed with a metallic structure to accommodate climate change. The barns currently contain 1,200 cows that are pregnant with female calves. The farm aims to establish a nucleus herd consisting of 5,000 cows carrying natural, non-genetically modified A2A2 genes over the next 5 years, with the completion of 63 barns. His Highness also stopped by to see the secondary automated milking parlour dedicated to newborn calves, with a capacity of 50 drops of milk, and 2 main automated rotary milking parlours will be established for dairy cows with a capacity of 8 drops of milk each. Each milking cycle will take 7 minutes, which will allow 3,000 cows to be milked within 7 hours for each individual rotary milking parlour, 3 times daily. Environment-friendly samples of paper bottles and packaging that will contain the products of the farm, such as fresh milk, yogurt and buttermilk, will be used to ensure that it reaches customers in its most natural form. Mleiha Dairy Farm, a complete, productive project of purebred lineage that strives to contribute to a sustainable food security system for the Emirate of Sharjah, in order to focus on improving resource efficiency and effectiveness. As we saw in this informative report, the health and safety of food is held dearly and cherished here in the Emirate of Sharjah. Up next, we'll be exploring the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival and the Sharjah Animation Conference, which are both organized by the Sharjah Book Authority. Let's dive straight into our first event, the 15th edition of the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival, where books and dreams come to life. Starting on the 1st of May and ending on the 12th of May, and also located in the Sharjah Expo Center. For years, the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival has been igniting the minds of both readers and authors, and this year promises to be no different. From captivating storytelling sessions by renowned authors to interactive workshops where creativity knows no bounds, the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival is a haven for every book lover, both kids and parents. Let's turn the first page and see what amazing stories the festival has waiting for us. His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasimi, Supreme Council Member and ruler of Sharjah, inaugurated the 15th edition of the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival on Wednesday. Organized by the Sharjah Book Authority, the festival is themed Once Upon a Hero and will run until May 12th at the Sharjah Expo Center. The ruler of Sharjah was warmly received by His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasimi, Deputy Ruler of Sharjah, and Sheikh Abdur Al Qasimi, Chairperson of Sharjah Book Authority, marking the official opening of the festival. A highlight of the opening was the ribbon-cutting ceremony, which was followed by a musical performance by a group from Sharjah who sang in praise of His Highness. His Highness went on a tour of the festival where he witnessed a selection of the 186 Arab and foreign publishers from 20 countries, which will host more than 1,500 cultural, artistic and edutainment activities led by 265 guests from 25 countries, including prominent writers, artists, publishers and illustrators. During the tour, His Highness graced the pavilions of the Sharjah Private Education Authority, the Emirates Publishers Association, the Supreme Council for Family Affairs and the UAE Board on Books for Young People, where he was briefed on their major cultural and educational activities that promote reading among children. His Highness also received details on strategies, programs and publications as he visited the pavilions of the House of Wisdom, Rubu' Qarn, for creating future leaders and innovators, the Sharjah Social Services Department and Sharjah Public Libraries. Completing the tour, His Highness visited the pavilions of the Department of Culture, Manassa Distribution Company, Mohammed bin Rashid Library, Kalimat Group and the Sharjah Broadcasting Authority, where he was briefed on their cultural efforts in supporting books, writers and publishing. His Highness the Ruler of Sharjah presented honours to the winners of the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival Award and the Sharjah Children's Book Illustration Award. The first place was secured by Kyun Mi-an from South Korea, followed by Juan Carlos Palomini from Mexico in second place, and Daniela Stamatiadi from Greece in third. Furthermore, His Highness acknowledged winners of the Sharjah Children's Book Award across various categories, each prize valued at 20,000 dirhams. Among them, author Mlieha Al-Khayyat from the UAE clinched the award for her book, I Will Hunt My Breakfast, illustrated by Gustavo Aymar and published by Kalimat Group in the Children's Book in Arabic ages 4 to 12 category. The Young Adults Book in Arabic ages 13 to 17 category went to Dr. Tariq Al-Bakri from Lebanon for The Buried Secret, illustrated by Fadi Fadl and published by Kalimat Group. Receiving the award on his behalf was Manal Mahjoub, editor of Kalimat Group, while the International Children's Book ages 17 to 13 category was awarded to Julia Johnson for the title Aisha's Pearl, published by ELF Publishing. His Highness recognized the winner of the Sharjah Audiobook Award, author Lina Mustafa Az-Zubayyiq from Syria, for her book My Grandmother's Hug, published by Az-Zubayyiq Publishing. To honor distinguished works facilitating visually impaired individuals' access to knowledge and their integration into society, the Award of Books for Visually Impaired Children Award was presented to Brigadier General Dr. Mohammed Khamis Al-Uthmani from the UAE for his book Seven Sanabil, published by Sharjah Police Science Academy. With endless activities, meeting your favorite childhood authors, And engaging in artistic workshops and thought-provoking panels, the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival truly engulfs its visitors in its wonderful environment and makes book lovers really feel as if they are in a story of their favorite book. The Sharjah Children's Reading Festival, truly where books and stories come to life. Dear parents, bring your children, and children, make sure you tell your parents. Up next, the Sharjah Animation Conference. The first of its kind in the region, this 5-day conference celebrates the innovation and artistry of the world of animation, serving as a hub for animation professionals, lovers, and content creators worldwide, starting on the 1st of May and ending on the 5th of May. The Sharjah Animation Conference takes place in the Sharjah Expo Center. Attending the conference are internationally acclaimed artists, content creators, and pioneering animators from all around the world that will host workshops sharing their expertise and innovation. Whatever it is you may be interested in, I can guarantee that you will discover something you are passionate about. Whether it be gaming, movies, art, and even anime, you'll find it all here and more at the Sharjah Animation Conference. Hind Al-Jasmi and Zarnab have prepared a report. Let's join them as they guide us through their visits at the Sharjah Animation Conference.
Welcome, dear viewers, to the Sharjah Animation Conference, where creativity converges with technology. I am Hind Al-Jasmi and I am thrilled to kickstart this mesmerizing journey through the world of animation, where creativity and artistry comes to gather professionals and content creators to the city of inspiration, Sharjah. This 5-day spectacular event is the first of its kind in the region, as it gathers top world international animators and speakers, and it hosts different activities and workshops to create, inspire, and serve as a networking hub for professionals. This conference is filled with opportunities and experiences for all generations, so come along together to explore. Today we have an anonymous character with us. Is he Mr. Cool or Mr. Mysterious? Let's find out together. Hi, how are you?
Oh, fine, thank you.
How are you doing today and how was your day at the conference?
It seems convenient.
So let us know about your costume. What are you presenting? What's your contribution here at the conference?
I happen to be the name Mystical Artist, as you can see here through my card over here. So I'm here to learn from the best legendary animators of the world, from America to Japan. Besides, knowledge is everything.
Yeah, so you're here to get to know more international animators. Yeah, that's really interesting. So are you an animator or what's your contribution here today?
As an animator, I'd like to inspire other artists and animators, those who have harsh struggles, and to be sure that should never give up on their dreams, no matter what.
Of course, of course. Thank you so much, Mr. Mysterious.
Mystical Artist, that's my name.
Thank you so much,
But
Mr.
thank you,
Mystical
my lady.
Artist. The thought-provoking panel discussions. Here, industry leaders from all corners throughout the animation world gather to share their expertise. This is your chance to gain some insights and more knowledge from professionals in the field. Next, we have the inspiring talks that will stimulate your imaginations. These sessions are the perfect opportunities to explore new ideas, expand your horizons, and get endless possibilities of animation. The world of animation comes to reality at Sharjah Animation Conference, a wonderful chance for youths and adults to meet talented animators. So don't miss out and join this wonderful experience. More information can be found on the official website www.sharjahanimation.com. And finally, we have our concerts. This is where we celebrate the art of animation, bringing together music and animation with Florence Pop Orchestra from Florence to showcase iconic soundtracks from all over the world.
There's a calm surrender to the rash of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight?
Thank you, Hind, for giving us a glimpse into the vast and creative world of animation. As we just saw, the conference is packed to the brim with thought-provoking panel discussions and innovative talks coming right from the top experts themselves. But we're not done yet. The Sharjah Animation Conference has more to offer, and there's still so much more to see. Let's continue with Zarnab Khan as he shows us the ins and outs of the world of animation.
Thank you so much, Umair, and welcome back everyone in the Sharjah Animation Conference 2024. I'm picking right where my amazing colleague Hind left off, and I'm telling you, the energy here is really electric. And now let me take you to dive into some exciting and amazing activities happening here in this Sharjah Animation Conference 2024. Come follow me. Did you know Sharjah Animation Conference 2024 offers a vast selection of different workshops, from animating characters to story building, these interactive sessions let aspiring animators learn from industry professionals. Right now, I'm here in front of this creative hub area. Let's go inside and see some young minds doing something amazing. This amazing conference showcases a diverse range of animated works, from student films to international productions. It's a fantastic opportunity to witness some creative storytelling come to life. Speaking of the international productions, how can we forget that this Sharjah Animation Conference is a global collaboration as it fosters an international exchange. The Bergamo Animation Days collaboration brings animators from Sharjah and Bergamo, Italy. This exciting partnership paves the way for cross-cultural innovation and inspiration. Viewers, we have right now with us an amazing performer from Italy who's going to perform in this Sharjah Animation Conference. Let's talk to him and know what he has for us today. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks for this opportunity. I'm Giuseppe from Italy, and I perform in the Florence Pop Orchestra We are an orchestra coming from Tuscany, and tonight we are gonna play Studio Ghibli music. It's Japanese house music that perform music for cartoons and animation. So we are very honored to be here in this very beautiful venue, and we are honored to be here. Every time when I come back in Italy, because this is the second time I come here, they say, "How was your experience?" I say, well, to come here it's amazing, because I see a country that put energy and efforts in art, in production, in music, rather than using money for other kind of things like war, and we know many other countries do that. So we are really pleased to be here, because I think it's a country that encourages art and activity like this.
Audience, we have right now with us an amazing artist from Italy as well. Let's talk to him and let's know what he has to say about the Sharjah Animation Conference. He's a part of this concert going on behind me. Let's talk to him and know his amazing story. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, my name is Julian, and I'm here with the Florence Pops Orchestra. I'm a violinist, and I play in the second violins, and I love that the government funds the arts. I find this an amazing project because of that. It's always important that the arts always have a place to go, always know where to play and what to do. It was very emotional. I never was on this side of the world, and I've always had the dream of traveling thanks to my job with my music, and it's amazing. It's an amazing place. It's completely different, so it's a completely new world.
This is a glimpse into the vibrant world of Sharjah Animation Conference 2024, and I would like to encourage every one of you that if you have spark for technology and especially for animation, then come along with your friends and family at Sharjah Expo Center from 1st May 2024 to 5th May 2024.
Dear viewers, as we draw the curtains on two magnificent celebrations of creativity and imagination, we reflect on the profound impact they have on all who attend. The Sharjah Children's Reading Festival and the Sharjah Animation Conference have not only entertained but have also inspired and educated generations, both old and new. Here in the city of Sharjah, the city of art, literature and culture, truly a hub for all creative and innovative minds from all around the world. The Sharjah Children's Reading Festival and the Sharjah Animation Conference are just a couple of the many events that are hosted by the city of Sharjah annually. Don't miss out on these great opportunities to learn and explore. Bring your families and friends and enjoy Sharjah. Thank you for tuning into tonight's episode of Inside 06. Join us next episode to find out what the cultural city of Sharjah holds in store for us. We'll leave you to enjoy an orchestra play by the Florence Pops on the classics of gaming, which was on the opening day of the Sharjah Animation Conference. Good night.